everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be telling you how to do basic video editing using this video editing app named as Willow. So you can easily get this app from the Play Store. The link will be given in the description box from where you can download it from the Play Store. So this is the interface of the Willow app which you get when you click on its icon. Now if you want to edit any of your previous projects, then all of them are displayed over here in this section. As you can see, all the previous projects are displayed over here, and if you want to edit them, then you can choose any one of them from here and then you can easily edit it. But if you want to edit a new video, then you should click on this create video option. Okay, so let's click on it. So now it will ask you to choose the photo, video, whatever you want in your video. So as per your requirement, you can choose a GIF or a photo or a video. So for our purpose, let us choose a video. Okay, suppose I randomly choose a video. Let's suppose this video. Okay, then click on this red arrow button. Ignore this message, click on OK, and then choose the ratio as per your requirement, whether you want to upload the video on Instagram or on YouTube or any other purpose. Choose it as per your requirement. You can also choose the layout, whether you want the video to be fit in the center or in the fill mode, whatever you want. Just click on it and then you can proceed with create project. Okay, so now you can see the video is loaded. So as you can see, this video is not completely filling the screen, and we generally do not want this. We always want our video to be in full screen mode so that people who are watching it can enjoy it. So now what to do, how to resolve this issue? First of all, to perform any kind of editing on the video, you must ensure that the video is selected. So to select the video, just click on the video. The video is selected. Now you will be able to access all the editing features related to the video. So as you can see, even the video has been surrounded by an arrow header on the four sides. Okay, so you can simply drag this arrow to increase or decrease the size of your video, or you can even use these resize layout, resize size rotation flip to rotate or change the size of your video, or even you can use your hands to do so. Just zoom in or zoom out your hands to make the video of the desired size like this. Okay, see, the video is rotated also. You can move the fingers in the way you want the video to be. Okay, then you can choose a background for your video. Since the video is in full screen mode, you will not be able to see the background. So let's shrink the video. See, now if I choose a background, see, the background is being applied. Okay, whatever background you wish to choose. You can even choose a color or a gradient or even a patterned background for your video. Okay, so let's choose a color. Okay, done. Then you can control the audio of your video. Like if you want to mute the audio, no sound, or if you want to increase, so a lot of range is provided. You can increase your volume up to 500, which is more than enough. Generally you do not have that much requirement to increase the volume by 500%. Okay, so it's up to you. Then you can choose the kind of animation you want in your video. Basically there aren't much options, only one option is there in the free version, but if you have a paid version, then you can access all of them. Okay, like fade, okay, then you can choose the speed of your video, whether you want it to be in 1x speed, 2x speed, 3x speed, whatever is your requirement. Now if you want to remove some section of your video, like you do not want a section of your video, then what you need to do is just select that section. Okay, just split it from there, split once, and then after that split it where you want that section is ending. Split it, and now see, the video is separated into different halves. Now you can delete this part if you do not want it. Okay, so this was all about video editing. Now let's see how to insert different elements like music or a picture or any other option. Like this BGM option is there, so you can click over here. So to access this, you have to deselect the video. Like if you select the video, then you will get video editing options. Okay, and see, this option is there. No, this when you split your video, no, then you can also choose a transition between the clips, small clips of your video. If you click on this small square button, okay, so if see this square button, green one, okay, then you can choose fade black, how you want the video to transition to the next clip. Okay. So now if you want to access these features, so you need to deselect the video. See, if I click over here now, my video is selected. I'll be getting video editing features. I won't be able to access those features. So to access those features, I just need to deselect the video. Just click on done and your video will be deselected. Now go to this BGM option, and over here a variety of options are there for your video editing. Basically variety of music options are there as per your requirements. See, kids, pet, travel, whatever you want to choose, you can choose. So suppose we go to daily and we choose this audio. So just to insert the audio, need to click on this arrow button and the music will be inserted. You can just drag this arrow header to increase or decrease the duration of the music. Since the video is short, that is why I'm not able to do so, but if the video is long, then you can easily do it. Okay, just click on done. Okay, now let's come to the sound effect. So you can get a lot of sound effects, transportation, live sounds. Similarly, in the same way as you inserted the music, you can insert this also. Then if you want to insert your own voice, you want to record, then record option is also available. Now if you want to insert a sticker, then you can choose any of them. Just click on this OK button, you will be able to insert it. Then if you want to insert a text, go to text option and then select any text. Just select any font. Suppose I select this and then click on OK. So now see, text option is selected, text element is selected, so I'll be able to edit the text element. So what I will do, if I go to this text, I'll be able to change the text. Suppose I write learn merrily. Okay, then I can change the font, whatever font I want. Okay, so many options are available, so you can access all of them for your need. Then this option is there to insert a logo. Like if you want an image to be inserted as your logo, then you can just go to this, select a suitable image. Suppose I select whatever image you want, you can select, and then suppose I select this element. Okay, and then just you can increase or decrease to make it appear as a logo. And if you want it to be in the entire video, just drag it. See, you can so if you drag it, you can increase the duration of this element. So if you want it for the whole video, just make sure that this purple bar is there on whole video. Okay, then this is done, click on done. So yes, this was all for today's video. We discussed some basic video editing features. So if you all found this video useful or you got help in any single way, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Thank you.